A magic day he passed my way, and while we spoke of many things, fools and kings,